Good morning, you guys. I am not going to the parks today, but I am gonna go resort hopping, specifically around the Magic Kingdom monorail resorts. So there are a few resorts that I want to check out. First being the Polynesian. I'm gonna go grab breakfast at the Polynesian. Shade is what I'm gonna get, but it's a Tonga toast. It's like one of the traditional meals that I always get whenever I'm here. But before I go, here's a outfit check. Sweater is from H&M and I'm layered up in heat tech because it is 40-50 degrees out today. I'm wearing the same cargos from yesterday and my 2002 Rs with the same Mickey ears from yesterday. Alright, let's go ahead and actually catch a bus to Magic Kingdom. From Magic Kingdom entrance, we'll take the monorail to the Poly. Guys, it is so cold today. I'm like getting a headache from the cold. Or I'm just still sleepy. This is basically a fried Texas toast with banana inside, covered in cinnamon sugar. I thought they were going to give me a like strawberry sauce that you usually get at Kona Cafe, but I guess like that's the con about getting Tonga toast here at Captain Cook, so I just got syrup. But honestly, I think it's better with the strawberry sauce. Try the bacon. I don't think it's crispy bacon today. I'm headache right now, so I'm just sitting here in one of the lobbies here at the Poly. I got myself a hot vanilla latte. I wanted to try a different coffee today, but I really needed something hot, so we're sitting here drinking coffee but watching at the Poly. So if you watch Full House, this is the hotel that Uncle Jesse performed at for Becky. Here at the Grand this morning. I'm basically just like walking around the areas I've never walked before. I knew that there is a beach here, so I was able to find the beach. Look how grand. Look at that. It's so peaceful and quiet. Pretty much enjoying just a little hot girl walk here around the Grand Flow. After this, I'm gonna go catch another monorail to Contempo, and then from Contempo back to Magic Kingdom entrance, and then we'll head to Fort Wilderness. We still have a lot of resorts I want to visit today. With the monorail resort, so I've decided to hop on a boat and go to Wilderness Lodge and Fort Wilderness. So far, I am a big fan of Wilderness Lodge. I'm gonna go to Roaring Fork and get another coffee. I want to try their specialty coffees, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm over here at the fire drinking a Wilderness Bark Latte. It's supposed to be chocolate and hazelnut. So it kind of reminded me of the Annihilator from Dutch Bros, but pretty good. I think it's waking me up for sure. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done here at Wilderness Lodge. I am beginning to get hungry. It is already 1 o'clock. Oh. 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 Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go hop on a bus, I think, back to Magic Kingdom. From Magic Kingdom, we will go back to Pop. I'm getting cold, so I'm gonna go and pick up some outerwear, a jacket, and then continue resort hopping. Okay, I layered up, took some Tylenol for my headache, and now we're at Animal Kingdom. I'm gonna get onto a bus for Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's currently like 3 o'clock, so hopefully there are still a whole bunch of animals out at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Currently trying to find the Mara because I still have not yet eaten lunch. Alright, found the Mara. I think I want to get the oak grilled chicken bowl, something a little healthy, so let's go ahead and try that. Got the oak grilled chicken bowl, so there's like tomato and cucumber salad, grilled chicken thighs, I think this is like special sauce, and then yellow rice. It's giving kava. I went ahead and mixed it. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but I just decided to mix it because it is giving kava. First bite. I'm gonna enjoy my meal. And we're gonna see some animals. I think I give this a 7.5 out of 10. Okay. I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Okay, I am done with lunch. Lunch was so good. Probably like one of my top meals here on my trip. So now I'm going to go look for some animals, hit up the Outlook. I keep seeing a sign about like an Outlook. So we're gonna go look for some animals. Seeing some impala. They're like over there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. There's like, I think a coffee. I rode the shuttle bus to Kidani Village, so we're over here because apparently there are better animals. So I'm seeing kind of the same types of animals, but there's a little bit more of them. Oh my gosh, guys, I found probably the best spot today to see the animals because they're all hanging out on the right side of Kidani Village. Gosh, there's a zebra. Oh my gosh, you're all running. Oh my gosh, you're going down. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, you're getting so close. Oh my gosh, they're running! They're running! They're running! Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and visit one more Savannah Outlook. I have to do a little bit of walking to get there. That is totally okay. I'm not in a rush to get out of here. I've pretty much been loving just looking at the animals and taking my time here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. I visited Jumbo House and then Kidani Village. I asked a cast member where like the rest of the animals are, and she said that Kidani Village has the best, and I would definitely agree. So I was able to get great views of zebras, some birds, some antelope. So let's go ahead and see what other animals are over here. So unfortunately there were no animals out on that side of Kidani Village. They're all pretty cold, so they are taking refuge and hiding. But that is totally okay. It is pretty cold, so I don't blame them. I think I'm done here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Disney Springs one last time. Just do one more walkthrough, one more visit to World of Disney, pick up some other souvenirs, and then I think I'll end my day with a trip to Coronado. I do want to visit the Grand Destino Tower. Alright guys, I am here visiting the Grand Destino, which is at the Coronado Springs resort. Very new tower, so I'm just going to be walking around. It is very beautiful so far. I'm pretty in love with the aesthetic. Guys, the Grand Destino is really, really nice. I'm looking at the tower itself like from the inside, like where the water and the courtyard is, and it's really nice. 10 out of 10 would stay here. I am done here at Grand Destino. I actually thought that Grand Destino Coronado Springs was part of the Skyliner resorts, the line of Skyliner resorts. Unfortunately, it is not. So I'm gonna have to take a bus to Hollywood Studios, since Hollywood Studios is the closest park to all the Skyliner resorts. So I'll go ahead, hop on a bus from Hollywood Studios, and then go back to Pop. It's cold, but this is what I have to do. The bus doesn't come for another, it says 15 minutes, but what I've learned this week is that you kind of just have to be out here and wait, because they're usually not on time in a good way. Like, buses come early. They come pretty early, so you really have to be here like either once it's already here or before, because it can be pretty early. But it's okay. I think I'm just gonna grab dinner at Pop. I'm not really hungry since I had a late lunch, and I'm honestly craving like something with mac and cheese, so I think I'm just gonna order some kids mac and cheese and chicken tendies or french fries. I don't know, but that is the plan for tonight. I've been out all day resort hopping, just resort hopping. Literally been out for like 12 hours resort hopping. I think I'll just see you guys back at Pop, and we'll do like a little haul of what I got today. Alright guys, I got dinner. I'm not proud of this, but I got chicken tenders and fries with mac and cheese. I had a really weird craving for mac and cheese. I'm grabbing a ranch. I forgot to get a ranch, and apparently like you have to get the ranch in the refrigerator, but that meant I had to line up again, and I was not going to wait 10 minutes to pay for my food. You can never go wrong with Disney chicken tenders. And their fries. Not gonna lie, this is hitting. Let's try mac and cheese. It's good. Okay. I'm gonna watch YouTube, eat my dinner. This is so bad. Okay, before I take a shower and end my video, I want to give you guys a haul of what I got today and these past couple of days. First thing being is this baby tee from Uniqlo. The Uniqlo here at Disney never fails with their shirts. They did increase in prices. I do remember them only being 15 bucks. Now they're 25. It has like a retro design and it's like a greenish color. I also got another shirt. This shirt has been around for a while, and I actually originally got a medium, but then I tried it on this morning and it was actually too small. So I got an extra large, because these Disney tees do shrink after like one wash. So I got that shirt, and then I went to the Contemporary, and I originally did not plan on going to the Contempo, but then I went to their gift shop and I found the necklace that I've been trying to find since I went to Disneyland back in October. It's this rectangular necklace with Mickey on it. It's silver. Very much my style. I don't always wear necklaces, but if it has anything to do with Disney and it's according to my style, I'll wear it. I am also bringing home some Joffreys. I absolutely became obsessed with their shaken Jamaican cold brew, and I was trying to find something that is like similar and I could make at home. And the cast members said that they don't have any like take-home cold brews, but she said that this is the closest thing. So it's the Jamaican Me Crazy medium roast. So yeah, that is my haul, and that is my day. That concludes my second to last day here at Disney. So tomorrow's our last day. We're gonna end it off with a bang at Animal Kingdom, my favorite park. Thank you guys for coming along with me throughout my resort hopping. We went to 6 resorts today, you guys. That's a lot, and I'm pretty tired. So thank you guys for coming along, for watching. I'll see you tomorrow at Animal Kingdom.